Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good night from anywhere you're seeing this video. Yes, we're back again. This is Chukwunoto Footwear and Fashion Company, and you have seen the footwear we have made for today. White and black, the other one is white completely. Yes. Please, we urge you guys to keep ordering from Chukwunoto Footwear and Fashion Company. Just tell me how you feel about the work. How do you see it? Did this word give you the taste of what you want? As you can see, I'm viewing the palm. Yes, you're not doing magic here. This is true. This is how we run them. This footwear is owned by peoples. And somebody get them. And we love to do it with the best quality that will make the person to come back again. I did been and doing my work anyhow. Maybe my footwear stuff I don't close since. But due to the way I'm doing it, God is helping me also. People are rushing me like mad. It's not easy because you're giving them what they want. That's why they can never leave you and go for any other one, because you are serving them good. When you are told to work for them, you use quality stuff, quality material to do work for them, and the money will not be in vain. At least when you work for them, they will wear the footwear to their test, having so many good testimonies and receiving from different kind of people, just because I'm trying my best, using the best quality, and God helping me also. Please, I encourage you guys to keep ordering from Chukwunoto Footwear and Fashion Company. Keep taking Coca-Cola drinks. Keep listening from the best platform, Marvin Record Label. And also, what again? Keep using Grow Mobile Network, the best network ever. Thank you and goodbye for now. Please, I would like you to like my page, like our pictures, our videos. The name of my Instagram page is Odak Chukwuno, so, and also Facebook the same thing. Yes, Facebook the same thing. And also the platform that deliver this footwear to anywhere you are in the world is is Chukwunoto True Market Unlimited. You can see it on Facebook also, but we are not currently on Instagram now due to I cannot learn all of them. I only me they do one for now. So, but I encourage you guys, please keep going to my Instagram and Facebook page and like videos. Thank you.